Hey, we're here at our friend Tom and Taima's shop that they're setting up here in Istanbul, Turkey. And so Tom's been super gracious to just give us a little walkthrough tour of their wood and metal shop that they're setting up here. Hi, I just wanted to give a little intro to the studio tour video that we're about to do, just to give you a sense of how amazing it is what they've already accomplished. So Tom Ward got in touch with me. He was an MFA student and starting to make plans and knew that I had some connections in Turkey. And Tom and his partner, Taima Krayem, wanted to just set up a studio. They were really excited about Istanbul. And so a year after getting their MFAs from Southern Illinois University at Carbondale, they headed out, came to Istanbul, and started working on this space that you're going to see. They came to Turkey with little or no connections and little to no Turkish language skills and things like that. And so it's just so exciting and so amazing to see how much progress they've been able to make in just about a year. So you're good. Obviously, it's a work in progress, but you're going to see their studio that encompasses both metalworking. Tom, if you check out, I'll put their website links in the comments below. Tom does a lot of Damascus work with steel, as well as other types of work. And then Taima is primarily a woodworker, but does a lot of other things as well. So you can check out their work on their website. And then in the tour, you'll get to see how they're starting to set up their wood and metal shop. So enjoy.
Workshop. It's a wood and metal shop, combined space. We have 2 floors, so we'll go for the upstairs first. It's still in progress of being built out, but it's just about become functional in the last month. So up here we have workbenches with for like handwork, hand tools. Eventually we're going to have classes here, so we wanted to have a big space for people to be able to work around and add workbenches as we need them. We've made like this is like a router flattening table that we made. And then this is my workbench. It's a disaster. And then we have a nice Laguna lathe that we picked up here. So we have turning, polishing, a little bit of grinding, but mostly just handwork up here. In the future, we're planning to add CNC and 3D printing, but that's later down the line. Downstairs is our big machine space. So on this side of the shop is metalworking, and then that side of the shop is woodworking tools. So over here we have belt grinder, an electric kiln, horizontal bandsaw, welding, only TIG welding and stick welding right now. No aluminum, DC only. Coal forge that I built, gas forge that we got made here, power hammer, anvil vices. And then over here we have joiner, planer, table saw, chop saw, and a small bandsaw. Some things we'd like to, upgrade in the future, but it's all working right now. It all works pretty well. So we have more like basic woodshop functionality for making a router table. And then there are some other machines that we're going to add in the future. But for now, everything is working. After eight months, we started from nothing, and this is 9 months in. Yeah.
Excellent. Do you want to show us any projects that you're working on right now?
Sure. I've been making knives for a show in Paris that I'm going to do. So I made these. I forged these yesterday. They're a pinstripe pattern that I like to do. So it's like the layers of the steel are all on the side, so that they just kind of follow the form of the knife. And I think it's like a nice subtle effect. So the layers will come up and in, and they come up and in, and they just kind of follow the edge of the knife. So everything is forged very close to its final shape, so that all the layers kind of follow everything nicely. And then over here I have same style of knife, but with a much more advanced patterns. These are mosaics with twisted edges. So these are substantially more complex pieces than those other ones, but same pattern of knife. This is my pattern of kitchen knife that I make. And then I have a little Bowie knife that I forged yesterday. And it's a 6-bar Turkish twist pattern, which I thought would be fun to do as my first American style knife in the shop in the Turkish twist style. And then these ones are blanks for swords that I'm going to make, small swords. I think they're going to be something called a kinjal, which is a Caucasian short sword that's, I think, originates from Roman gladiuses. And that's it. But the rest of the shop, like, I had to fabricate most of the things that you see here. So the welding table, the forge, the table for the forge, the crane. There's a lot of things in Turkey that are not like commercially available, and you just have to buy them, or you have to make them yourself. Like, I asked around for welding tables, and they were like, "Huh? You can buy a table that you weld on?" So we found a lot of those things. Like, it's a lot more do-it-yourself in Turkey. But that being said, like, it's been really good. We've had a lot of ups and downs in navigating this space, but it's all kind of coming together.
Great. Well, it'll be exciting to see how things continue to evolve. So we'll definitely be checking back in with you guys.
For sure.
Thanks. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.